Just play. Play. They play. Okay. We want to see what is happening. We want to trade what is happening currently. We need, before we start, we need to look at what's really happening on a bigger time frame. With all what we have said earlier, now it looks like tentatively market is stalling around here. Even though we still like to maintain the bullish bias because this market is still very much bullish, we have come to a place where we see it looks like there could be a reaction. Maybe one red candle just come over this green candle. Maybe after this one finishes, maybe next one will be bearish. So I think maybe the ground is preparing for that kind of reaction. And then going to weekly time frame, we've seen that this has happened around here. We're seeing that last week struggled to close very bearish, bullish. Look at, and then this week is also following. It has not gone above this. Okay, that is happening inside the zone right here. This drop came. We said that this move here broke this zone, right? Broke this last swing high because you have a higher high, higher low, right? Then higher high. So for bullish trend to continue, it's supposed to be higher low, and then we're supposed to get higher. But then instead it comes to lower low, right? Higher high, lower low, and this lower low broke this structure here. Then we have a base here too, and then which also took that hold up. But this has broken his line. We are looking at this happening here, and then we're seeing something slowing down. Maybe just maybe we could have one swing down. Go to daily time frame. We look at we saw this a lot wave. This is one. This is an impulse wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, and after every impulse wave, there's supposed to be a corrective wave, which goes A, B, C. Right, so it's supposed to be like after an impulse wave comes a corrective wave to go 1, 2, 3, or we say A, B, C. Can I draw? I don't have. I can't. There's no zigzag here. Just imagine this zigzag. Draw. Imagine the zigzag movement from here. A, B, C. That is. Let me draw it. Don't be lazy, right? Let's just follow the arrow. A, right? That's the arrow. Probably that will happen. Quickly doing it now. I'm doing it on my mobile phone. A, B, very small, and then C that will follow back downwards. Oh my! I'm looking for the arrow, and then we have a C that will come in here. Probably that is what will likely happen, right? See, and then what could get us into this zone or Fibonacci zone. We also drew out the Fibonacci. We saw that if indeed that change was beginning to happen, right, the market would technically be looking to come into this zone below, especially if this week happens very well to close very bearish. Maybe you have another one that will come and close below this, and then we can know that yes, certainly we are coming down here. But going down to 4-hour time frame, we have also seen that we have a double top that has formed, right? And another double top formed inside this 4. Look at this hedge, and this. If I take it to the 1-hour time frame, you will see that it will be a clear double top. Let me go 1 hour. Look at it. It's a bit clearer, right? One head, shoulder, second top, first top, and second top, right? And the market has dropped. First move, let's come here. Maybe it will use this reaction box here to get back into this place, but maybe up here even. Then move down, which will now be the wave that we have drawn. Anyway, maybe this wave that is already happening here. This is already 1, 2, and then drop 3. I feel that it's possible that could be what is going to happen now. So looking at that, with that now, we are just projecting. I'm looking at market that will swing into this place. So if market swing into this place or into this area zone, I'll be looking to sell from this zone for this box. With this, that is with this plan. Well, with this very formation that we have drawn, with this very formation, I feel if market bounce off this zone to come into this place, I'll be looking to sell. If I see a bearish engulfing candle, for example, inside this zone or around this area, or even before we get to it, I might be selling. And then where is my stop going to be? You get it right. My stop is going to be on top here. Oh no. The stop is going to be on this place. If I'm beginning to sell. So that would be my stop level. At least above there, above the zone. Maybe I'll give you some. I might want to be, if I'm very generous with my risk, if I want to play it very, give it enough space, I can put my stop over here, so big. See, I can afford this level. This is 146.1415, and I can place above 146.70. That's like just about 60 pips, less than 60 pips. I can do away with 60 pips. See what we want to happen around here. So at the same time, I can also decide I want to play down, play now, maybe play all the up game. Now when I now came to 15 minutes time frame, I'm now seeing something. Look at this. I'm seeing this happening. Look at this bearish boy trying to play around my zone here. If this goes like this, I can as well sell just for the sell, but I will tighten my stop, put my stop around here. I won't let my stop go too far. And on this one is I'm just taking a very risk something, right? If I take it, because it can come here, bounce off, and then beginning to now want to come to my zone. So there's no point in trying to risk too much. Yeah, sometimes one might be tempted to say he wants to leave space to this place. Like if I enter here now, I've done that severally. I will enter here and then I'll look at, okay, if I put my 10 pips, maybe I give it 10 pips top, right? 15 pips, 20 pips max. Then and I see market now begins to dance into that zone. Most of the time what I do is that I will now extend it. Like I will now look at, okay, since this is 20 pips already, like, okay, let me extend it by another 20 pips, and then I'm getting inside this place. Then I'm looking, and then market comes again and it gets inside this place, and I say, I can still afford the remaining 30 pips now, and then I stretch it, and I'll stretch it up. And then eventually I'm now a whole 60 pips, where I could actually be taking the profit of the 60 pips, not losing it. Yes. So if this first one is invalidated, even if I enter a trade here and it gets invalidated at 10-20 pips, I'm not going to continue entering. At least I will stop it, wait, see what the market is doing, so that I'll be able to catch an eventual continuous upward movement that will get me to whatever zone I want to get to, or whatever zone it wants to get to. That's another thing. So the long and short of this is this: I'm looking to sell now this USDJPY because of the aforementioned reasons. Right. I need to go above. Yeah. So tentatively, market is looking like it is changing structure. Tentatively, maybe in the short term, just to go to complete a retracement. And then it's still possible that this bar, maybe the market just wanted to, let me remove this Fibonacci now. It's looking too dirty. Let me take out all these ones. Let's get something clear. We've gotten that out. So that's just to clean our charts a bit. Let's remove the lines. Okay, and then this box, I said we might not be leading it because this guy movement here didn't break this up. If he broke it, then this box will have been very useful for me. That I'll be expecting price to bounce off it very well. At least if price break, this market went up here, I'll be expecting a bounce off that will also move at least equally up here. So, but this hasn't happened. So I want to take out this box. I want to take out this box for now. For now, all right. This is what is happening for now. So since it's looking like the structure is changing, I want to take out. You can still see, yes, if it comes back to that zone and then we are seeing some very strong move, why not? Just switch it. They will keep switching and switching. No, we might just wait to see what is clear enough for us to take. Just wait to see what's clear enough. Very low bar. We have no trade on yet. I want to take on positions. Sell positions for now. So want to trade on 15 minutes time frame to play 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame. This video is getting too long. So to play, what do I want to do? Okay, let me let this video be in one. I'm not trying to see whether I'm right or wrong. I'm just trying to trade the game, place the game, right? This is a important level for me. USDJPY. Yeah. Now we have a clear view. We have this that's level as we broke this zone. So technically market can still just come back to this zone and sell, or to come back into the zone to help here again and sell, or you might even want to come to this top again and sell, or whichever way it's what it's doing, right? But it's clear that these 15 minute swings are giving us something. It's giving us patterns that we can hide behind. It's giving me a pattern. If I'm supposed to hold a bearish pattern now, that means if I'm entering next now, I put my stop here. Just stop here. Don't widen it. When it stops me, I'll wait. See what is going to happen next. So 15 minutes. So going to 5 minutes. I wanted to take a 5 minutes chart and see. This is sharp movement. Do I have a space downwards to fall? Yes, I do. Maybe another 4 candle is starting. Yes, that will drop us further. This is 12 o'clock. This next 4 hours just started. If we are supposed to have another extra 1 hour drop, or one big bullish candle drop, bearish candle drop, it will be good enough. So let's play 15 minutes. Let's see what's happening. 15 minutes. Let's play what's happening. 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Is this guy going to go? What's 1 minute? Is it good enough? Let's see. Trying to look for entrance. So okay, let me see. Okay, let me look for pullbacks on 1 minute. Pullbacks that will get us into this place. Somewhere here. Let's see somewhere here. Let's see this. You see how I'm taking everything inward. Right? If supposing I would like to see a trade, right? This guy, it broke levels here, right? Broke levels here. That's the first level, broke up there, and even broke here. It's a strong leg. It is a strong leg there, right? So see, we market play into this place. We market play into this guy. Before we sell, do we need to sell directly like that? So many things that we need to consider. Or just go the first bullish. Okay, 15 minutes bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing strategy is like once after this zone, look at the whole of this zone, right? Maybe this is an activation box on 15 minutes time frame. We can take our entry on the next one and put our stop over it here. So stops are here. No, not that one. Yeah, this. The stops are here. The boxes. Yeah, put our stops over this, right? Enter this candle. That will give us how many pips stops? That's about, if I take from here now, 74, that's about 20 pips, right? Entering. Let's see when I can have a smaller entry. Oh, no. It's dropping. It's continuing to drop. This. Excuse me. Sometimes you might just need to be patient. You might just need to allow your levels to play out. Allow your levels to play out. Sometimes you might just need to allow your levels to play. The market will come down to your level. Should come down to your level most time. Most time. Allow the market. So breathe. Somebody says. Well, that 15 minutes time frame movement is an aggressive move anyway. So why don't enter it? Why wait? You have $20 that you want, that you can afford. Sell. It goes. You try it. That's all. Right? I set that stop. This is 55. I expected that a reaction should happen. So this is a stop. You can take it out. You may not take it out, yeah. So if market is not going to stop us, it's not stop us at 75. So let's go. 145, 75, 145, 145, 75, 145, 75. Oh, it's not even going to take $10, $20, maybe about $10. 145, 75. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. You got no glory. That's what they say. I made an entry. Guys. Dancing. Way too close to the. Yeah, we're actually closer to the zone below it. Of course, a bullish engulfing candle in this zone will switch me up to buy. Then I'll just buy from here, the low of that candle. Maybe buy to the zone, right? Maybe to come back up here. Buy here, take my profit, wait. Then I'm gonna sell at this zone, right? Come down. swings.